Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you a simple trick to create a YouTube app on your Mac. Since there's no official YouTube app for Mac OS, we'll use a quick workaround that makes YouTube feel like a real app you can pin to your dock. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to www.youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click and drag the URL from the address bar to your desktop. This will create a shortcut to YouTube right on your desktop. Now, when you double-click this shortcut, it will open YouTube in your default browser, but we can make it look more like a proper app. To customize the icon, head over to macosicons.com. Search for YouTube and choose an icon you like. Download the icon file to your computer. Next, go back to the YouTube shortcut on your desktop. Right-click it and select Get Info. In the Info window, drag the downloaded icon file onto the small icon in the top left corner. This will replace the default shortcut icon with the YouTube one. You can also rename the shortcut to just YouTube by clicking on the name in the Info window and typing a new one. Finally, drag the shortcut into your dock. Now you have a YouTube app right on your Mac's dock. Click it any time to launch YouTube directly in your browser. That's it. You've now created a custom YouTube app for Mac OS. This method works for any website, so you can do the same for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, and more. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.